Welcome all to the burning issue of DHI Academy. Today we are going to discuss one of the prominent issue, that is the end of indexation benefit. So before going to the end of indexation benefit, let's understand comprehensively what is this indexation benefit. What has our Honorable Finance Minister in the budget proposed for 2024-25 has opined with respect to indexation as such. So before moving to today's topic, we are comprehensively launching the IFOS Forestry optional course and test series. Now, this particular test series will benefit you if you choose Indian Forest Service as your optional in your upcoming paper for forestry mains examination. So, if you're tackling forestry as your optional this year, that is 2024, or upcoming mains, that is 2025 mains, so this course would help you comprehensively, giving you an appropriate guideline. So, coming to today's news. So, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman in the budget 2024 announced the budget that henceforth indexation benefit would be removed. So, first let's understand what is indexation benefits as such. Now, generally, what is to happen was that let's consider you have purchased an house for 35 lakhs in the year 2020. So you have purchased a house for 35 lakhs in the year 2020. So if you as an individual wish to sell this house today, that is 2024. Now let us think the value of this particular house in 2024 is of 1 crore. So earlier what is to happen is that this particular price of 35 lakhs which you paid in 2020, they would adjust this amount to inflation. Let us consider by taking around 10% of inflation, let's adjust this value for 4 years, which would roughly become around 55 lakhs. So the capital gains tax for this house would be nothing less than 1 crore minus 55 lakhs, that is 45 lakhs. So this 45 lakhs is nothing but capital gained by you. Now the government will tax you on this particular 45 lakhs, that is the remaining amount. Now, when this thing was called as indexation, where the base price was adjusted to inflation, then or when adjusted to inflation, the remaining amount which you gain on that particular amount, the tax was levied. This process of taxation was practiced earlier, which was called as indexation. Now let's come to the aspect of now what will happen if the government cancel this aspect of indexation. Let us think the same case scenario in the 2020, you purchased a house for 35 lakhs, and in 2024 you sell the house for the same for the amount of 1 crore. Now, before you sell this amount, first this particular base price was adjusted to inflation. Now, in this particular case, the base price would not get adjusted to inflation. What do you mean by that? Earlier, this 35 lakhs will remain same, 1 crore minus 35 lakhs, and the remaining amount is 65 lakhs. So you need to pay capital gains tax for this 65 lakh rupees. Okay, so this is how the government has brought an end to indexation, which has caused a grave cause of concern in the organizations associated with real estate business. As you know, real estate is a popular occupation which people generally take, where selling and purchasing of house and property and or land is taken place. Now, in this particular context, there has been various pressure and the upset among the real estate community with respect to this particular aspect of indexation benefit. So why should be taxpayers be concerned? So the elimination of indexation benefit is a significant concern, especially as I told you, for real estate market, for those who hold property over long term. So if you hold property over long term, obviously the property value will get increased. So how come you need to pay tax on the remaining value that is not adjusted to inflation, which is becoming a great cause of concern for real estate investors. So that's the prominent issue for today's discussion. I hope this concept becomes very important, especially with respect to prelims perspective. There is a possibility of this question popping up even in the state PSC or UPSC examination. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video and press the bell icon to never miss an update from DHI Academy. Thank you all. Have a great day.